Hello everyone and welcome back to AW Programming and Lectures. In today's lecture we will begin with loops. So let's first cover while loop. So let's declare a variable, let's name it x is equal to 0. Basically you can say I have initialized the variable. Now let's write while, and now let's specify the condition from where up to where we want to run the variable. So let's enter while x is less than, you can say, 10. And now let's print this x, and now we'll increment the x. So if you guys remember, in C++ or C, we can increment our x in x, then we can use increment operator like x plus plus. But Python doesn't support this, so we have to write like x is equal to x plus 1, or we can write x plus uh, x plus 1 equals to plus 1. So either we can write like this or we can write like that. So I'll run both these and show you guys. So you can see it prints from 0 to 9. So similarly, if I write x is equal to x plus 1, it also gives the same output. Now let's discuss the solution, where we'll ask user to enter something to exit from the loop. So let's enter a string which will store and which will tell us to enter anything, which will keep on repeating, and which will enter anything to repeat. So after this we'll enter, you can write this just I have written this just to show you guys another feature of strings, but you can write the text which I'm going to write here just after this, and it will work fine also. So I can write here uh, enter uh, let's enter, I can enter z to to tell the compiler so that to end my program. So I can write enter z to end the program, or better yet I can let's try writing here alakazam to make it more fun. So now let's what we need to now enter is we to take a message which will scan the user input basically. So we'll write while message is not equal to alakazam alakazam. So until then we want our message to scan an input which will be a string. So and then I want my Python to print my message. So now it should work fine. So let's just run it, and as you can see it's asking enter anything to repeat. Let's enter I love Python. So you can say it repeats I love Python, and now it's asking again enter anything to repeat. Now let's enter alakazam, and now you can see it repeats alakazam and then quits the loop. So before moving to for loops, I wanted to discuss the last concept in while loop, that is to use the break statement in while loop. So continuing with the previous code, I can make some changes here. First of all, I can write here while true. So loop will run infinitely for this, and I will scan this input similarly from the user. Now I'll write if my message is equal to alakazam. So then what it has to do, then we have to break. So just write break over here, or else I want my compiler to just print my message. So let's just check it out. So let's run it, and you can see it's asking enter anything to repeat. So let's enter hello this time, and it repeats hello. Now let's enter Alakazam, Alakazam, and you can see we have successfully exited from our program. So thank you everyone, and if you guys like my videos, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you everyone.